Have you ever stopped to think about how much of your financial life you manage online? If you're like most people today, the answer is probably a lot. From checking your balance and paying bills to transferring funds and even applying for loans, online banking has become an indispensable tool. And when it comes to your money, convenience should never come at the expense of security. That's why, in today's video, we're diving deep into the best practices for using Patriot Bank's online services, ensuring you can manage your finances with both ease and complete peace of mind. Online banking isn't just a luxury anymore, it's a fundamental part of modern financial management. Patriot Bank, like many financial institutions, has invested heavily in robust online platforms and mobile apps to empower you, the customer, with unprecedented access and control over your accounts. Think about it. No more rushing to the branch before closing, no more waiting for paper statements, and no more missed bill payments. Everything you need is literally at your fingertips, 24/7. But with this incredible convenience comes a responsibility on your part. The digital world, while empowering, also presents unique challenges, particularly in the realm of security. Cybercriminals are constantly evolving their tactics, and staying one step ahead means adopting smart, proactive habits. That's precisely what we're going to equip you with today. We'll cover everything from the foundational elements of strong password hygiene to leveraging Patriot Bank's built-in security features, recognizing and avoiding scams, and maximizing the utility of their online tools. By the end of this video, you'll be a Patriot Bank online banking pro, confident in your ability to manage your money securely and efficiently. So, let's start with the absolute bedrock of online security, your login credentials. Your username and password are the keys to your financial kingdom. Treat them with the utmost care. The first best practice here is to create a strong, unique password for your Patriot Bank online account. What does strong mean? It means a password that is long, ideally 12 characters or more, and incorporates a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using easily guessable information like your birthdate, pet's name, or common words. Think of a passphrase rather than a single word, something memorable to you but nonsensical to others. For example, Blue River at 7 stars is far more secure than Patriot Bank 123. Equally crucial is the unique aspect. Never, and I repeat, never reuse your Patriot Bank password for any other online account, whether it's your social media, email, or even other shopping sites. If a hacker gains access to one of your less secure accounts, they will often try those same credentials on banking sites. This is known as credential stuffing, and it's a common way accounts are compromised. Make sure your Patriot Bank password is one of a kind. Beyond password creation, regular password changes are another excellent practice. While Patriot Bank might have a system that prompts you to change your password periodically, it's a good habit to proactively update it every few months, even if not prompted. This adds an extra layer of defense against potential breaches. And critically, never write down your password where others can find it, whether on a sticky note under your keyboard or in an unencrypted document on your computer. If you struggle to remember complex passwords, consider using a reputable password manager. These tools securely store your passwords and can even generate strong, unique ones for you. Next up, let's talk about multi-factor authentication, or MFA. This is a game changer for online security, and Patriot Bank likely offers it, or something similar, as an enhanced security feature. MFA adds an extra layer of verification beyond just your password. Typically, after you enter your username and password, you'll be prompted for a second piece of information, such as a one-time code sent to your registered phone number via SMS, a code generated by a dedicated authenticator app, or even biometric verification like a fingerprint or face scan if you're using the mobile app. Enabling MFA for your Patriot Bank account is non-negotiable. Even if a cybercriminal somehow manages to get your password, they won't be able to access your account without that second factor. It's like having a deadbolt on your door in addition to the regular lock. Take the time to set this up if you haven't already. It's one of the most impactful steps you can take to secure your online banking experience. Now, let's move on to being vigilant against online threats. Phishing, smishing, and vishing are terms you might have heard, and they all refer to various forms of social engineering attempts designed to trick you into revealing sensitive information. Phishing typically involves fraudulent emails that appear to come from legitimate sources, like Patriot Bank. These emails often contain urgent-sounding messages, warning of account issues or suspicious activity, and direct you to click on a link that leads to a fake login page. The goal is to steal your login credentials. The best practice here is to be extremely wary of any unsolicited emails asking for personal or financial information. Patriot Bank will never ask you for your full account number, password, or PIN via email. If you receive such an email, do not click on any links or open any attachments. Instead, open your web browser, type in Patriot Bank's official website address manually, and log in to check your account directly. If there's a legitimate issue, it will be reflected there. Smishing is the SMS, text message, version of phishing. You might receive a text message that looks like it's from Patriot Bank, perhaps saying your debit card has been suspended and asking you to click a link or call a number. Again, the same rules apply. Never click on suspicious links in text messages. If you're concerned, call Patriot Bank's official customer service number, found on their website, not in the text, to verify. Vishing is phishing over the phone. You might receive a call from someone claiming to be from Patriot Bank, asking for personal details to verify your account or resolve a problem. Be very cautious. Legitimate bank representatives will generally not ask for your full social security number, full debit card number, or online banking password over the phone. If you receive such a call and feel uneasy, hang up and call the bank back using the official number from their website. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Beyond these direct attacks, maintaining the security of your devices is paramount. Your computer, smartphone, and tablet are your gateways to online banking, so they need to be protected. Firstly, keep your operating system, web browser, and any Patriot Bank mobile app updated. Software updates often include critical security patches that address vulnerabilities. Enabling automatic updates is a good way to ensure you're always running the latest, most secure versions. Secondly, install and maintain reputable antivirus and anti-malware software on your computer. This software acts as a shield against malicious programs that could log your keystrokes, steal your data, or compromise your system. Regularly run scans and ensure your antivirus definitions are up to date. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.